Hey y'all, it's me, it's your girl, and you already know. Like, share, and subscribe. What's up, real deal? And yes, I'm doing a lot better. It's almost there. But look, y'all, we got to get into our content. Well, they had a little court appearance held for alleged suspect in Tupac security shooting, and that was Keefe D. Um, coming into court looking all crazy. But he came in that day and the court trial wasn't that long at all. It didn't take no more about a second or two. Looking at something. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at the video, okay? Yeah. Y'all tell me what y'all think behind this. Now he don't put himself in this situation. So that means that y'all think he gonna tell it all, or he just gonna tell part of it? Cause he in there now, shoot, he might well he's 60 years old, might well gonna talk. Gonna talk, honey. Let's see what he got to say.
First court appearance just 30 minutes ago. Here is video showing Dwayne Keefe D. Davis in that courtroom at 8:30 this morning. While in front of a judge, we found out that he has an attorney who requested to come back in 2 weeks. So Davis's next court date is now scheduled for October 19th at 9 a.m. Investigators say Davis confessed to his involvement, giving full details of how he and his co-conspirators killed the rapper in a 1996 drive-by shooting off the Strip. Now, Davis had immunity for what he told police in his police interviews, but not for what he revealed in later documentaries and podcasts. Immediately after Keefe D's brief court appearance, we heard from District Attorney Steve Wolfson.
Mr. Davis is being held on no bail. That no bail status will continue at least until his next court appearance. We will continue to ask for a no bail setting because we believe under Nevada law and the evidence in this case that the proof is evident and the presumption is great that he will be convicted of first-degree murder, and that allows us to ask for a no bail setting.
Wolfson said Keefe D's lawyer is in California, so that's why he was not in court today and requested that later court date. He is expected a plea on October 19th.
All right, y'all, there go Keefe D. Keefe D. Yeah.
Every month, this Airbnb pays me about $2,700.
It's Keefe D. The cost the shot. Oh, I want to see this. Everybody was in that hearing today.
Else to happen?
I would imagine within the next 2 weeks, he's going to find local counsel so that his California attorney could pro hoc vice in, which will allow him to practice in front of the Nevada State Bar for these limited purposes. And then they'll probably schedule a bail hearing where his attorneys will probably file a lengthy written bail motion, and the state will reply with an opposition. And then there will likely be a hearing where the main detective will testify at the bail hearing. So it'll almost be a preview to the trial in a sense.
DA Steve Wolfson said that he continues to be held without bail, and they will continue to ask that Keefe D be held without bail. Do you think there's any chance he gets any type of bond?
I mean, that's interesting. I mean, it's very difficult to get bond in a murder case, especially here in Clark County, because it's one of the only crimes where the state has the ability to request that, essentially, with no other open cases and convoluted issues like that. But the fact that the case is so old, and apparently he hasn't been in any sort of trouble in many recent years, probably leads to a puncher's chance. But I would imagine that he's going to be held no bail if I had to bet on it.
Yeah. I would think so too. I mean, it's a huge case. Is there any talk in the legal community about the word on the ground, if you would, or the word around the courthouse among lawyers?
We all want to know who he's going to hire. Maybe me. Who knows?
Okay, but I mean, is there talk about this might be a tough case to prosecute only because he could say, you know, I was just blowing smoke. It was a bunch of bluster, since his proffer from, you know, the mid 2000s cannot be used against him. The proffer in which he laid out for investigators what happened.
Yeah, a book is a book, and a book can be interpreted as fantasy, just like a rap lyric can be interpreted as fantasy. And going back all these decades, they don't have the sophistication that they do now with GPS monitoring, but it seems very likely that they're going to at least be able to put him in Las Vegas that evening. What happens after that is going to be anybody's guess until discovery starts.
Because everybody else that was in the vehicle that night, the white Cadillac, the 3 other people are dead. Michael, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, and I'll see you later in a little bit. Okay, have a good one.
See, most of the people in the case, y'all, is not here with us. They gone. They deceased. So Keefe and Shahur in Suge Knight. I don't understand why Suge Knight trying to take up for him. Because Suge trying to say he ain't got nothing to do with it. So how Suge we ain't gonna keep playing with this Tupac case. But y'all tell me what y'all think. I'm not gonna hold y'all long. Y'all go ahead and hit the like button. And man, this case right here go back a long way, y'all. It goes a long way back into time. So we'll get it together. All right, y'all, I'm out of here.